Hello everyone, it's Roland here, and in today's video I will show you how you can bypass it, double opt-in on a aweber. So you go to your aweber account and choose a list. Then you go to the sign up forms and choose the sign up form. Okay, so over here you see the name and email. I'll go to my ClickFunnels. I'm using the ClickFunnels. So I've got a name and email over here. So I would leave it the same over here, but if you have just an email, so I would recommend you to delete this one. So you delete that one, then save your form and go to the next step. I would leave this as a basic, but for you, I would do the custom page, and over here you put the link where you want to go the next step in your funnel. So when they submit the email, the next step where they want to go, it's either way is going to be thank you page or is going to go to the sales page. So I would leave the basic version. So you save the form and then go to step 3. Here you press that one and go for the raw HTML version. You unclick this box and you copy all this, and I already put it in here in notes. So all what you need is from top, everything what says form, you go right over here. Where it says script type text, you don't need that one. You just need everything what says form. So you copy this one, you copy one, and then you go to the ClickFunnels. You go to settings, integrations. I've got already integrated, so I remove the integrations. So normally you would go for the aweber, but we will go for the HTML form, and then press action, integrate, and here you put your code and save the web form. So here you see I've got a name and email. So as I said before, if you have just an email, you have to delete the name. So name, email, and that's it, and just press save. And now it should do. So you can go on a link and test it out, send the email yourself and see what's going on. I think it's helped. So if you like this video, you can click like and subscribe to my channel for more tips. See you guys.